Build your own dream castle, a step-by-step guide. Ever dreamed of living in a magnificent castle, ruling your own kingdom? Well, grab your cardboard boxes and glue, because today we're making that dream a reality. Let's embark on an epic adventure of creativity and construction. First, a kingdom needs resources. Gather cardboard boxes of all shapes and sizes. Cereal boxes, shoe boxes, even appliance boxes. The more, the merrier. You'll also need trusty tools. Scissors, tape, masking and duct tape are great. Glue, rulers, and pencils. Don't forget colorful paints, markers, and any decorations fit for royalty. Glitter, gems, and flags are highly encouraged. Now, let's plan our castle. Think about what makes a castle special. Towers, walls, a grand entrance. What will yours have? Sketch out your design on paper. This helps visualize your castle and plan how the boxes will fit together. Don't be afraid to get creative and add your own unique touches. Time to build. Start with the base of your castle. Use larger boxes for the main walls, taping them securely together. For the towers, use smaller, cylindrical boxes or create your own by rolling cardboard into tubes. Attach them to the corners or along the walls for a majestic look. Remember to reinforce everything with plenty of tape. Every castle needs details. Cut out windows and doors in your walls. Get creative with the shapes. Arched windows, secret passages, anything is possible. Create battlements along the top of the walls and towers by cutting out triangles or squares. These add a classic castle look and provide a place for your miniature knights to defend the kingdom. Let your imagination run wild. Paint your castle in vibrant colors. Use markers to draw bricks, stones, or even ivy climbing the walls. Add flags to the towers. Create a drawbridge using cardboard and string, and decorate with glitter, gems, and any other royal embellishments you can find. Make it truly your own. Your dream castle is complete. Now it's time to populate it with your favorite toys, action figures, or even create your own royal family. Let the adventures begin. Defend your kingdom from dragons, host royal balls, and rule your land with wisdom and kindness. The possibilities are endless. Now that you've built your magnificent castle, it's time to share your creation with the world. Take photos or videos of your castle and share them online using #DreamCastleChallenge. Inspire others to build their own kingdoms and let their imaginations soar. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and creative projects.